To understand how attributes and methods affect a pandas data frame, let's load the Seaborn Tips dataset into df. df. Shape returns a tuple. Rows. Columns. Revealing the data frame's dimensions. df. Head. Displays the first 5 rows for a quick data preview, while df. Tail. Shows the last 5. Useful for checking data end.
df.info prints a concise summary of the data frame, detailing column dtypes, non-null counts, and memory usage, vital for data quality checks. dtypes lists each column's data type, like object, int64, or float64, clarifying data content per column. describe generates descriptive statistics for numerical columns, providing count, mean, min, max, and quartiles, offering rapid statistical insights.
The provided Python script utilizes the pandas library to analyze the tips dataset. Loaded from Seaborn. It begins by loading the dataset into a data frame named df. Then sequentially demonstrates the application of shape, head, tail, info, dtypes, and describe. Each attribute or method is called and its output is printed to the console, allowing for direct observation of its function. The shape attribute returns a tuple representing the dimensions of the data frame, indicating the number of rows and columns. This attribute provides a high-level overview of the dataset's size without altering its content. Following this, head and tail methods are used to display the first and last few rows of the data frame, respectively. These methods are essential for quickly inspecting the structure and data types of entries at the beginning and end of the dataset, acting as non-transformative views. The info method prints a concise summary of the data frame, including the index type, column data types, count of non-null values, and memory usage. This is invaluable for checking for missing data and understanding memory allocation without modifying the data frame itself. Subsequently, the dtypes attribute returns a series listing the data type of each column, which is critical for ensuring data integrity and preparing for specific analytical operations. Finally, describe generates descriptive statistics, e.g., count, mean, standard deviation, quartiles, for all numerical columns, providing a statistical summary that aids in understanding the distribution and central tendency of the data. None of these operations transform the original data frame. Instead, they provide metadata or statistical summaries that inform subsequent data analysis steps.